Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of numbers, and we will cover various types of numbers. What are fractions? And what are real numbers and their various types? So let's first look at types of numbers. Imagine counting apples or books. You start with 1, then 2, 3, and so on. These are the numbers we use for counting naturally. Hence, they are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are all positive numbers and don't include 0. Whole numbers are just like natural numbers, but they include 0 as well. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now once you will add negative numbers into the list, it's like -1, -2, -3, and so on. They are termed as integers. So integers could be positive numbers like 5, 10, 13, or they could be negative as well, like -5, -7, -10, as long as its magnitude is a whole number. Then it counts as an integer, and 0 also counts as an integer. On the other hand, fractions are only parts of a whole number, and we write them as one whole number divided by another whole number, like 3 divided by 5. Think of a pizza that's been sliced into equal pieces. Each slice represents a fraction of the entire pizza. If the pizza is divided into 8 slices, and you take one slice, you have 1/8 of the pizza. The top number is known as the numerator, and the bottom number is known as denominator. Moving on, we have real numbers. Real numbers include all the numbers on the number line, whether they're positive, negative, or 0. They can be whole numbers, fractions, or decimals. Real numbers can be further divided into rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as ratio of two integers, like 1/2 or 3/4. They can also be written as decimals that either terminate like 0.5 or repeat like 0.121212 and going forever. On the other hand, irrational numbers can't be written as simple fractions. Their decimal form goes on forever without repeating. So they look like a random string of numbers going on forever. Famous example is square root of 2, which would be something like 1.414213, but would continue on forever without any pattern. Another example of an irrational number is pi, which starts as 3.1415, but again goes on forever and doesn't have any pattern. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Check out other videos in our playlist for more learning.